morning everybody, good morning. Hope you're all okay. Hope you're enjoying this weather that we've got at the moment. Well, saying that, I think today is the last of it actually. Forecast rain tomorrow, and it absolutely tipped it down last night. At the moment it's dry and it's warm, so yeah, no complaints at all. But in fact it's very warm, it's about 23 degrees. Bit of a breeze up, but it's not too bad. And today we're heading through the beach. Heading through the coast, folks. Hey, through the beach. Seaside. Yeah, going through the same area. I haven't been through there this year yet, so I thought today's a good day. I reckon going this way I should be alright actually, because I've got the wind behind us, so I should feel like I've got a little engine, got a little push all the way through the coast, because it's come from like the west the wind, so it's kind of coming from over my right shoulder here, as you can see by the flags up here. So hopefully get a little push through. That means I'll have the wind in my face come back like, but there you go. Further away, no, actually, further wind in my face going somewhere and pushing us on the way home. But you know, it is what it is. At least it's a warm wind. So some nice food coming out of that pub over there. It's like they're having a barbecue or something. Oh, I'm not even hungry. I'm hungry now though. I went through a long stretch of traffic lights back there where they'd redone the path. And the trouble is, you know, I waited till I went to green, did it all proper, pedalling the clappers, and the cars on the other side were still having to wait. You know, well, what they're on green. Thankfully the lad at the front was decent and he waited for us, but you know, should give it more time for people on bikes going through. You know, I'm abiding by the law, going through the traffic lights properly, and then the timings are out, so yeah. And I was going pretty fast and I still didn't get through in time. It was like about half a mile long or something. Anyway, look at this road. This is a nice road, this. Really nice. Well, I don't use things, but I think the clouds behind me look pretty menacing. Can you see? On my right shoulder there. It's not supposed to rain today at all. But that looks pretty dodgy. Pretty dodgy. If I remember right, just briefly when you get on this corner you can actually see the sea. Before it dips down. There it is there. You see right in the distance there through the gap? That's the sea. The North Sea. Freezing cold. Baltic. There it is, folks, there's the sea. We're nearly at the seaside. Just over there, top of the trees. Got a few miles to go yet, down the roundabout, turn right. A few miles to go, but we're getting there. Coming down to the seafront. You can see the sea just above the houses there, above the petrol station. So, nearly at the front now, nearly down there. It's nice actually, still warm through here. Still like 24 degrees or something, so yeah, very nice. Very nice. I'm just heading down Main Street here. Here we are, guys, we're here. Down at the front. And behind here, that's Tommy. Sculpture to the fallen in World War I think it is. So yeah, this is Tommy. Pretty cool, isn't it? It's big as well, very big. Yeah, it's to commemorate the fallen, but it's really good, really good. Very popular around here for people taking photographs as well, but yeah. That's Tommy, and he's sitting right on the seafront. So back along the seafront, before I turn back and land again. There's a big gun there, look. Big howitzer or something. It's a nice ride actually along the seafront. The only trouble is that everybody else wants to ride along the seafront in the cars, so it gets a bit crazy. So that's the last of the sea on the right hand side, folks, because I'm heading back inland now. Heading back in this way, away from the sea. So I've left the beach behind, I've climbed up away from the coast. As you can see, pretty good view. pretty up high. Just a gradual climb really, it's not a hard climb. Just a gradual climb up the hill, through a couple of villages, and then we're heading down towards Easton Lane here. Well, there's supposed to be zero chance of rain today, but guess what? Don't see by my glasses it's raining. It's not raining heavy, just a few spots at the moment. It's no bother, like, cause it's still like 22 degrees, 23 degrees, it's still warm. But yeah, you never know with the weather, do you? But yeah, it's starting to rain. Getting heavier as well now. I might find a tree to hide under for a little bit so don't get soaked. I say you don't mind so much when it's warm and you get wet, but still though, if I can avoid getting wet I will. It looks like it's trying to bright up again, hopefully. I did this yesterday, it was Father's Day yesterday, and it was a treat. Katie went to see my son, and then we went to the Huppins in Newcastle, the biggest fun fair gathering in Europe. Fantastic. I love it. We don't go on any rides because we used to take the kids there, so me and Katie went and just wandered around and soak up the atmosphere and, you know, listen to the music. It's just good fun. But just before we went, as we were walking around Newcastle before we went up to the Huppins, and because the Huppins is on the town moor in case you didn't know, in Newcastle, and it started to rain like that. I thought, oh no, it's spoiled it, but then it only lasted for about 5-10 minutes and then got really hot and sunny the rest of the afternoon, so hopefully it'll be the same today. Hopefully. But yeah, it's good, like, it's good at the Huppins, really good, really good. Some of the rides are mental, like, there's no way I'd go on them, I tell you. And it's not my age neither, because I wouldn't go on them when I was younger. All I used to like going on when I was younger was Dodgems. My friend used to like go on the roller coaster, and he didn't like going on his own, so he used to persuade me to go with him on the roller coaster with him. But yeah, not my cup of tea. Give me the Dodgems any day. So far I've done 46 miles, got a little bit to go yet. I'm going to be heading up here and turn left. I'm going to be going up the Monkey for the first time since it was gravelled. And I'm hoping it's going to be alright. We'll see. I mean, not all gravel's bad. I know I'll go on and on about it, but there's a bit over in Durham they've just come through, which was just being redone. And it was fine. It's just small little tiny chip-ins. Like when I talked to the lad on the phone, you know, and tiny little chip-ins, and it was okay, it was fine. I'm hoping this is going to be the same, because it does look like little chip-ins on the bank here, so hopefully it's alright. But it is what it is. It'll be the first time going up it, so fingers crossed it's alright. But I'm going to 5 minutes rest here before I head up that way. Sourfield, see what the traffic's like, because it's getting busier and busier. It seems to be like the school kids seem to be coming out early and early all the time. It was like 2 o'clock in Durham and the school kids were out, so I don't know. But at least that rain held off. It was a bit dodgy, it went very dark, went dodgy, had a few spits of rain, so like a bit heavier. I thought I would hide under a tree, but I didn't hide under the tree. I was fine. I just pedalled through Durham, brightened up a bit, and I was alright. I was absolutely fine. So it has done like what I said at the Huppins, because that's what I did the other day in Newcastle, yesterday in Newcastle. Went dark, started to rain, I thought, oh, it's going to ruin our day out, but it didn't. It brightened up like this and just stayed nice, so yeah, thankfully it stayed that way today. So I'm going to carry on round, I'm going to have a few jellies, get a bit of energy, and I'll carry on around the ride. You know, when they gravel the roads, if they're going to gravel them all like this, I think we're alright, we'll be fine. Use the smaller chip-ins and we're laughing, because this is a decent surface. Nothing wrong with this at all. I'm very relieved. My favourite hill, the Monkey. I thought they were going to ruin it with gravel, but they haven't. They haven't. I mean, good job. Good job. Good job, Durham County Council. Well done. Everybody's watching, because this is alright. You know, it's very peculiar. I've got a headwind here, as you can see by the turbines, as I'm going across the fells. But it never seems very strong headwind when it's a warm wind, does it? To me, anyway. It's still pushing you back, don't get us wrong, but it never seems as strong as like a cold headwind. Does that make any sense? Am I talking rubbish? I was thinking when it's cold wind hitting you in the face, it seems to have more power and more strength than a warm one, even if it's the same speed wind. Maybe that's just me. Maybe that's my imagination. I've got a headwind here right by my face, I think it's about 13-40 mile an hour winds. And it's alright. You know, it's pushing us back a bit, but it doesn't feel too bad. You know, I can pedal through it, so it's weird, it's strange. So I'm heading over the fells, and then I don't know, I might just go back or I might go on the other side. I haven't decided yet, just see how it goes. It's not me, I feel absolutely fine, it's just the traffic's getting busy. It's getting to that crazy time of day again. And when it gets to this kind of time, I like to be off the roads. So I decided to go back this way, around the back again. And this time I've got the one behind us. Free wheeling and bombing along. You see the turbine there. So I'm getting a helping hand from Mother Nature. That'll do me. As I said before, you know, even with the wind in my face, it's alright today because it's a warm wind, so it feels fine. But still, it's nice to get a push back. So I'm going along the top of the valley, along the top of the hill to Waldash, and then down to the valley and back along the home again. I'm nearly home, 63.8, so it's going to be about 64, something like that, 64 and a half. But it's been a good ride, very good ride. Really enjoyed it. Lovely weather, and the rain stayed up. I thought it was going to get wet, but it didn't. It was all good. It's all good. Good, I mean, most of it's good weather because it won't last, as we know. But it's been good. And I even found out that Monkey Hill is absolutely fine as well when they've gritted it. So, happy boy. It's been good. So, as always, thank you very much for joining us. Thank you for your support. And take care of yourself out there, folks, everybody. Enjoy your bike rides, or watch what you're doing. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.